Farmers in Clarendon continue to count their losses after Hurricane Melissa tore through the parish. 4 weeks later, families remain uncertain about their next harvest. Yannick Williams has the details.
What was supposed to be a season of strong yields has turned into fields of loss for farmers in Riches Square, Clarendon, especially now that the Christmas season is approaching. Hurricane Melissa ripped through the parish, uprooting vegetables, flattening banana trees, and washing away months of hard work.
The hurricane has done a lot of damage to the farm in the area, especially the yellow yam. Yellow yam is the main crop in the general area, but a lot of catch crop also done. But the hurricane has mashed up all of them, including like plantains and bananas. Also destroyed.
He mashed down my plant and my banana, and we did have some tomato, mash it down, but we kind of fix them up back and them are gone.
And Mr. Nelson says the damage done is
very, very serious. Maybe about 50% of my crop, and some farmers lost total. But based on the state of my crop, I would say I lost approximately 50% of my entire yam production.
For many farmers here, the losses are not just financial, they are personal. Most rely on their crops to support their families and sustain local markets.
I want daughter college, and I want a home technical. So I plan to help them out. But it didn't work out that much. That just hand to mouth to come out. So I could try sell the little bit and try plant back and see what can go on.
The farmers say with the help of getting seeds and fertilizer to replant, they are willing to start over. Mayor of Clarendon, Joel Williams, toured the area earlier this week. He says the community is facing one of the most significant agricultural setbacks in recent years.
You have somewhere in the region of 9 to 10 trucks that leave that area to the Kingston metropolitan area Coronation Market. So, and I know that a number of farmers would have sold things to persons for the Mapen market. So this is a breadbasket for us in Clarendon.
Councillor Stephen Williams, in the meantime, says some farmers have not yet registered with the Rural Agricultural Development Authorities, RADA, to access benefits. But explained farmers will sign up if RADA makes the process more accessible by coming to them.
They are saying nobody come and certify their field. So it's not say they don't go and try. They try their best. So if RADA come in and play their part, keep some meetings, farmers will come out and they do registration in place.
Now, farmers fear the recovery could take months, if not longer, and they're hoping for swift government action and community support to get back on their feet. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.